Thank you so much for taking the time out to join us this evening. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Shweta Khandelwal and standing for the post of Vice President. So what is it that attracted me to TEPO? The people. My first interaction with the school was with the alumni and an admissions event I attended in Mumbai. But what sealed the deal for me was actually visiting campus this February. What I found unique and exciting was the fact that everyone I interacted with was so approachable and had so much energy, whether it be the students, the faculty, the administrative staff, or even the alumni. Though I won't lie, attending wine night as a prospective student did definitely weigh into my decision. But I guess it gave me an overall impression of what student life at TEPO is all about. So when I got here, I thought I had figured it out. I thought I knew what TEPO was about. But even in the span of 3 short months, I came to realize that the actual experience transcends all expectations. This community has impacted each and every one of us in this short span of time, and whether it be in the personal or the professional arena. I have gained so much from this community in these 3 short months that I really want to give back, and what better way than the GBA. But what makes me the right candidate, the right person for the job? Well, I've always been inclined to be an active part of student government in a range of different roles. I've also initiated certain initiatives during my high school years, and those initiatives have since become annual events. It feels really great to see how the future classes have carried forward our initiatives. And this made me realize how much I enjoy being instrumental in student-driven activities. Being a part of the GBA Mentor Committee this mini, it reinforced this feeling and also showed me the various opportunities that the GBA presents. So, as Vice President, my primary focus will be the further integration of our already close-knit community. I hope that this can be achieved by building on the present GBA's activities, specifically things like the mentorship program. I think the mentorship program is a great way to bridge the gap right from prospective students all the way up to the alumni. The first step is the connection of the first years with the second years, which I believe will enhance the relationships within our school. The next step, which is shortly going to be implemented, is connecting second-year students with members of the alumni. And I think this will go a long way in creating long-lasting relationships within the TEPO community. Another aspect I hope to address is the integration of international students further into our community, possibly by promoting more collaboration with social groups to create a platform for us to not only share but also learn about other cultures. I would also like to work on the International Student Life initiatives by building on activities like the winter shopping trip to the Burlington Coat Factory, and also maybe come up with new initiatives like creating a platform where students can get their state IDs or licenses made on campus itself. I'm all ears to any other ideas which you all may have. And that actually brings me to my third point, which is I want to be your voice. I want to make your voices heard. I want to get your ideas implemented. I want to work with the GBA to ensure that you get the best of your experience here. I want to be the link between you and our administration. I want to work with you, not for you. Let's work together towards creating your TEPO experience. Thank you for your time.